Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. A blind spot is any area immediately surrounding your vehicle that cannot directly be observed by you, the driver, within your normal field of vision. Your field of vision includes anything you can see directly in front of you as well as anything you can easily see in your peripheral vision or side and rear view mirrors. Blind spots can occur when the A-pillar, also known as the windshield pillar, side view mirror, or interior rear view mirror blocks your view of the road. These blind spots hide any object positioned within them from the driver's normal field of vision, including other cars, pedestrians, barriers, and more. They are so subtle that some drivers don't even realize they exist, which can lead to accidents. However, blind spots aren't completely unavoidable if you know how to look for them. In fact, blind spot checks are an essential part of every driver's license test. Checking your blind spots involves a complete shoulder check, which will be examined frequently during your road test. A shoulder check involves turning your head 90 degrees to either side and looking out the two side windows with your peripheral vision. For example, turning your head to the left allows you to look directly out your own window, while also allowing your peripheral vision to pick up any movement or light cues that might be hiding in your blind spot, and the same goes for the right. Even though we might have mentioned the importance of checking your blind spots, checking them too often can be just as dangerous as not checking them at all. Frequent and unnecessary checking draws your focus away from what's going on in front of you, limiting the time you have to react to risky situations. When making a turn, whether you are turning right or left, you need to first check your blind spot and side mirror for about 5 seconds before you reach the turn, and then again as you reach the turn. Changing lanes. This involves total lane changes, or even if you are entering a branching turning lane, check to ensure that there aren't any cyclists, pedestrians, or approaching cars pulling away from a curb. You may be turning to the left or right when pulling away from a curb, which will need an appropriate mirror and shoulder check. Curbside parking. Similar to pulling away, you may be entering the curb space to the right or to the left, and will need to perform an appropriate mirror and shoulder check. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.